South Africa. The name itself sparks curiosity. It hints at adventure, it whispers of beauty, calling out to the wanderer in all of us. This is a land of contrasts where every corner tells a different story. Towering mountains meet the roaring ocean, creating a symphony of nature's wonders. Lush vineyards give way to arid deserts, showcasing the diverse climates and terrains. Ancient traditions blend seamlessly with modern life, creating a unique cultural tapestry. South Africa is a country that will capture your heart with its iconic landmarks and rich wildlife. It's a place where you can lose yourself in the wild beauty of nature, from safaris to hiking trails. You can immerse yourself in vibrant cultures, exploring local markets and colorful festivals. You can feel the pulse of a nation on the move, with bustling cities and modern developments. Come, let's explore the magic of South Africa together, uncovering its hidden gems. Discover the warmth of its people, whose smiles and hospitality will make you feel at home. Experience the rhythm of its cities, where nightlife and urban energy create an unforgettable vibe. Let the spirit of Ubuntu, the interconnectedness of all things, fill you with awe and inspiration. This is South Africa, a rainbow nation waiting to be discovered, where every moment is a new adventure. South Africa is a nature lover's paradise. It boasts diverse landscapes that captivate the soul and ignite the imagination. From towering mountains like the iconic Table Mountain to sun-kissed beaches in Cape Town, there's something for everyone to enjoy and explore. Imagine vast savannas teeming with wildlife, where the horizon seems endless and the beauty of nature is on full display. Picture lush forests that are home to a myriad of flora and fauna, and sparkling rivers that carve their way through the landscape, offering serene and picturesque views. The country is home to some of the world's most iconic national parks, each offering unique experiences and breathtaking scenery. Kruger National Park is a must-see destination for any wildlife enthusiast. Here you can embark on a thrilling safari adventure and witness the Big Five in their natural habitat, creating memories that will last a lifetime. Lions, elephants, leopards, rhinos, and buffalo roam free, offering a glimpse into the wild heart of Africa. For breathtaking scenery, visit the Drakensberg Mountains, where the peaks touch the sky, and the views are simply awe-inspiring. These majestic peaks offer hiking trails with stunning views, perfect for adventurers and nature lovers alike. Or explore the lush garden route along the coast, a region known for its diverse ecosystems and scenic beauty. Discover hidden beaches and charming seaside towns that dot the coastline, each with its own unique charm and character. South Africa's landscapes are a testament to the power of nature, showcasing a variety of natural wonders that leave visitors in awe. They are a source of pride and inspiration for all who visit, and a reminder of the incredible beauty that our planet has to offer. South Africa's coastline stretches for thousands of kilometers. It's a place of dramatic beauty. Rugged cliffs plunge into the turquoise waters of the Atlantic and Indian Oceans. Golden beaches invite you to relax and soak up the sun. The Cape Peninsula is a must-visit. Here you can stand at the southernmost tip of Africa, watch as the Atlantic and Indian Oceans meet. Table Mountain, with its iconic flat top, dominates the skyline. Along the wild coast, you'll find secluded coves and traditional Xhosa villages. The waters here are teeming with marine life. Go snorkeling or diving and discover a world of wonder beneath the waves. South Africa's coastlines are a treasure trove of natural beauty. They offer adventure, relaxation, and unforgettable experiences. South Africa is a melting pot of cultures. It's a place where people from different backgrounds live together. 11 official languages are spoken here. Each group contributes to the country's rich heritage. From the indigenous Zulu and Xhosa people to the descendants of European settlers, South Africa's cultural tapestry is vibrant and diverse. Music, dance, and storytelling are integral parts of life. They reflect the country's history and traditions. Experience the rhythm of Zulu drumming and the soulful melodies of Xhosa music. Learn about the traditions of the San people, the oldest inhabitants of southern Africa. Embrace the diversity and celebrate the shared heritage that makes South Africa unique. Section 5, Ubuntu, the heart of a nation. At the heart of South African culture lies Ubuntu. This Nguni Bantu term embodies the spirit of interconnectedness. It speaks to the belief that we are all connected. Our shared humanity binds us together. Ubuntu is more than just a word. It's a way of life. It's about compassion, respect, and understanding. It's about recognizing the humanity in everyone, regardless of their background. In South Africa, you'll experience Ubuntu everywhere you go, from the warm hospitality of the people to the spirit of community that thrives in both rural villages and bustling cities. Ubuntu is the soul of South Africa. It's what makes this nation so special. Section 6. Cityscapes, where history meets modernity. South Africa's cities are vibrant hubs where history and modernity collide. Cape Town, Johannesburg, and Durban each offer a unique blend of culture, cuisine, and urban adventures. Explore bustling markets, world-class museums, and trendy cafes. Discover the architectural legacy of the country's past. From colonial buildings to modern skyscrapers, South Africa's cities tell a story of transformation and progress. Experience the energy of these urban centers, get lost in the maze of streets, savor the flavors of local cuisine, feel the pulse of a nation on the move. South Africa's cities are waiting to be explored. Section 7. Cape Town, the Mother City's allure. Cape Town, affectionately known as the Mother City, is one of the most beautiful cities in the world. Nestled between Table Mountain and the glistening Atlantic Ocean, Cape Town is a feast for the senses. Ride a cable car to the top of Table Mountain for breathtaking views. Explore the colorful houses and cobbled streets of the Bokop district. Visit Robben Island, where Nelson Mandela was imprisoned. Indulge in the city's culinary scene, sample fresh seafood at the V&A waterfront, sip local wines in the nearby Cape Winelands. Cape Town is a city that will stay with you long after you've left. Section 8. Johannesburg, the City of Gold's Rhythms. Johannesburg, or Jozi as it's affectionately known, is the beating heart of South Africa. This dynamic city pulsates with energy. It's a place where cultures collide and dreams are made. Explore the historical neighborhood of Soweto, the birthplace of the struggle against apartheid. Visit the Apartheid Museum to learn about South Africa's journey to freedom. Experience the city's thriving arts and culture scene. From live music venues to art galleries and theaters, there's something for everyone. Johannesburg is a city that never sleeps. It's a testament to the resilience and spirit of its people. Section 9. Beauty, rooted in heritage. In South Africa, beauty is more than skin deep. It's rooted in heritage, tradition, and the spirit of Ubuntu. South Africans embrace their natural beauty. They celebrate their diverse cultures. Traditional attire, like the colorful fabrics and intricate beadwork of the Ndebele people, is a source of pride. It's a way of expressing identity and heritage. From generation to generation, these traditions are passed down. They serve as a reminder of the strength and resilience of South African culture. South African beauty is about embracing your roots, celebrating your individuality, and shining brightly from within. Section 10. Faces of Inspiration, South African Icons. South Africa has produced a constellation of inspiring individuals who have made their mark on the world. Nelson Mandela, the father of the nation, is a global icon of peace and forgiveness. His legacy continues to inspire millions around the world. Archbishop Desmond Tutu, a tireless activist against apartheid, taught the world about the power of truth and reconciliation. From sports stars like Lucas Radebe and Caster Semenya to entertainers like Charlize Theron and Trevor Noah, South Africans continue to shine on the global stage. These individuals embody the spirit of South Africa. They are a testament to the country's resilience, talent, and unwavering belief in a brighter future. Section 11. South Africa, a symphony of beauty. South Africa is a symphony of beauty, a harmonious blend of nature, culture, and history. It's a land of contrasts where breathtaking landscapes meet vibrant cultures and warm hospitality. From the bustling cities to the serene countryside, every corner of South Africa tells a unique story. From the rugged peaks of the Drakensberg Mountains to the golden shores of the Cape Peninsula, South Africa will captivate your senses. The natural beauty here is unparalleled, offering a feast for the eyes and a balm for the soul. Immerse yourself in the spirit of Ubuntu, a philosophy that emphasizes community, connection, and mutual care. Feel the warmth of the people as they welcome you with open arms. Experience the rhythm of its cities, where the energy is palpable and the nightlife is vibrant. Johannesburg and Cape Town offer a dynamic mix of modernity and tradition. Let the stories of its people inspire you. Each person you meet has a tale to tell, a piece of the larger mosaic that makes up this incredible nation. South Africa is a country that will stay with you long after you've left. The memories you make here will be cherished for a lifetime. It's a place where you can discover the true meaning of beauty, not just in its landscapes, but in its people and their way of life. Come, discover the magic of South Africa. Whether you're exploring its natural wonders or engaging with its rich cultural heritage, there's something here for everyone. Let its beauty move you, let its landscapes take your breath away, and let its people touch your heart. Let its spirit inspire you. The vibrant cultural expressions and the deep sense of community will leave a lasting impression. This is South Africa, a rainbow nation waiting to be explored. A place where every visit feels like a new adventure, and every moment is a chance to create